question about giving tzedakah beyond our means. So Chazal said that we're supposed to give up to 20% from our income. What happens if the person gives more than that? Is he gonna get punished because of it, or what would happen?
So I will say, and we're actually going to learn in this book, Beezrat Hashem, that more than 20%, if he's like average like income person, it's could be dangerous. Could be dangerous. You understand? That's why they said 20%. How much? They said that's enough. So that's more than enough. But if he has a lot of money and he does not need more money, right? So only to live like normal life, right? So that's he can give more. There is no problem, but it has to be like evaluated on a case by case basis. If he knows that he has a steady job, right? He has a steady job, and so he can give more. He has savings. There is no problem, right? But it's only on case by case basis. It's not like a rule. The rule is up to 20%. Well, he has $8 million. Why don't he need 8 million? He has an apartment. It's paid off. He just paying maintenance. Okay, he doesn't need so much money. Okay.
So let's say a person, like an average person, he says, okay, I'm willing to give a little bit more this time, although I know I'm going to struggle some time afterwards, but still I kind of feel like I have to give the tzedakah. Perhaps the person feels like he has certain decree falling upon him, or whatever. Is he allowed to do this, or perhaps
yes,
not so much?
That's what you said. It's exactly true. It is exceptional cases, and and our sages give this example. Very good. Our sages give this example. So if person would be on a hospital bed, would he think like should I give 20% of my estate or 21%? No, he would give 97 or 100% just to live. You understand? So in this case, in a case of danger, as you said, where you have spiritual danger, physical danger, of course you are obligated to give more. Again, it's not only on a constant basis, but exceptional basis. Absolutely, that's survival, physical survival. Everybody understands. Nobody like normal person would not enter his mind. Said no, but this doctor, my insurance is not going to pay. But this doctor wants 21% of what I make. That's too much, or 21% of what I have. Nobody would think that. You understand? So if it's true physically, needless to say, spiritually. Yeah, that's one of the exceptional cases, and then plus exceptional cases when somebody is in that situation, not only you, but somebody's close to you. Somebody's brother needs a kidney, right? And you like he needs $20,000, and you don't have, or that's all you have, and all your savings, and you have to borrow from your credit cards to give this $20,000. Let's say you have to sell your car. To buy yourself a bicycle, let's say, right? So that would be allowed, absolutely, like exceptional basis, exceptional circumstances. Okay, what else?
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome. It's a very good question.